Film.
Hurricane Dejan approaches Tampa ferociously. An evacuation becomes mandatory. Please, make sure to take extra precaution. Stay dry, folks.
Hey.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Good. So you're not evacuating?
No, I think I'm gonna ride it out. They kind of overhype these storms every year, I feel like, you know?
Yeah. So what happened to you this time?
Oh, well, I was riding on my motorcycle through Chinatown, saving a family of refugees. That's when I see them, ninjas, out of nowhere. So I took cover.
So what gun did you use this time?
Oh, it was my trusty double-action sawed-off Mossberg shotgun, laser scope with a fully integrated chainmail-piercing armor rounds.
Oh my gosh, that's like my favorite gun.
And then I got to higher ground, and I swooped down on them like a flying hyena. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Actually, I just jumped off my roof.
John, you've got to stop doing this. Just to talk to Amber? I mean, you're hurting yourself for a girl you've never even met.
But we would be perfect together.
I'm really glad you're still in one piece.
But she loves Fandango. And spam email. And the poop emoji. Who doesn't like the poop emoji? And Thundercats. Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
Whoa. Is that fresh blood?
Got pretty hairy.
How hairy?
I'm talking 2 chia pets tangled like a dingleberry hairy. I mean, I'm in the middle of the Amazon, right? And there's a school bus full of 3rd graders going straight for a sinkhole full of dynamite. Yeah, and I'm saving them one by one. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, the school bus hits me.
Wow. That might be your best one yet, I think.
Actually, I just ran into my garage door.
Well, hey, you know, was she there? Did you get to meet her?
No, it wasn't her shift. You know, but I mean, it probably wasn't the right time anyway.
Yeah,
you know?
no, totally. Hey, look, I'm really sorry. Hey, I got a customer. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, Jill. Let me ask you. Is he okay? That looks pretty bad.
Oh, no, he's hurting himself on purpose. He's trying to meet Amber, who works at the downtown hospital, but his injuries never align with her schedule. She's in intensive care.
Taylor, that's pathetic.
Yeah, I think it's kind of, romantic.
Oh, my God.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
God, man, what happened to you?
All right. Here's what happened. There's 3 Coast Guard ships barreling down the Panama Canal. I'm parachuting in. On the port, the starboard, the machine gun turrets whirring in the wind. And that's when the half-kraken, half-wildebeest surfaces over the water. And I'm like, no. You go to hell. You know what? I'm not trying hard enough. I will get Amber. We were meant to be together. We like all the same things, like green M&Ms, Splenda. Did I mention the poop emoji before? I'm ready. I'm ready to meet Amber.
Get to shelter immediately. 30,000 dead from random lightning.
Lightning! Lightning! Lightning!
I'm ready! Amber, it's you.
You're gonna be okay.
I think I lied.
He's so cute. He's mine. I love you, John. I'm the one.
John, want some more coffee? Coming right up.
He's mine! I'm a doctor. Can I look at your pulse?
You don't even know what kind of gun he shoots.
I bet your coffee stinks. Poop emoji, poop emoji, poop emoji.
I'm there for him every day.
Taylor!
No. It's Amber. Thought we lost you there for a second.
Yeah. Hey, listen. You've been really great. But I've got somewhere to be.
Naked in the rain, waiting on your door.
Taylor! Where is she?
Who wants to know? Oh, it's you.
Hey,
Taylor.
what happened?
I drew a mighty silver staff and I raised it to the heavens, invoking Thor's lightning, and it lit up the sky. And I died and came back to life, imbued with my true destiny.
Yeah, you did.
Taylor, I died for the wrong girl.
Too many judgment days. Why do we always take the same freeway? Oh, show me your love. How can you hide inside a broken heart? Show me your love. How can I live and breathe when we're apart? Show me your love. Heartache freeway.
This just in, Hurricane Dejan is now subsiding and headed towards Cuba. In other news, massive casualties as Ben Affleck climbs Mount Everest.